Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy again, Crity React. Today's comedy is another hilarious one where we have Comey's Shopofo and a lot of them on this comedy compilation. Alright, go grab your popcorn and sit back, relax and watch this funny, hilarious comedy. Without further ado, let's quickly dive into this comedy video. Let's go.
Receive Jesus today. Jesus is coming soon.
Today is not going to be easy.
Don't push for this one. Amen, somebody.
Shopofo has now become a pastor.
I say, amen, somebody.
Okay, talk with you, won't talk, Joe.
Sinners. Anyways, my name is Shopofo, pastoring. I'm preaching. And the Lord called me yesterday and I picked the call. Even though network not too good for my area.
Now, glory they use.
You're right. By the way, I'm here to preach the word of God to you sinners.
Okay, we don't hear anything where you want to preach. We broke and we dey find money, Joe.
You broke when there's a sports betting platform called Paripos.
Preacher, no sports betting platform.
50,000 naira on your first deposit to bet on all your favorite matches. And withdrawal and deposits can be done through Flutterwave, Paystack, and Monify. Now make una register through the link in my bio and don't forget to use my promo code DFEI.
Pastor Shopofo, thank you. Oh, yeah, now if you continue your preaching now.
Alright, in the book of Matthew 5 verse 39, as a Christian, when someone slaps you on your right cheek, make sure you turn your left cheek for him to slap you. That is what makes you a good Christian. Who goes you? Now God may call me ghost me, so I cannot go ahead to slap your left cheek. What the fuck, my sister?
Don't dare, my friend.
I say President General among the nation. President General among the nation. We salute you.
Sorry, how much you are? Man, I don't do your work, because you make you save me.
Like, why on earth to do this such a thing? First slap them.
What? So the smoke cigarette? Yes, it's legal. It is legal. And it's for me. Babe, don't worry, I got you. It's my own. It's for me. You don't tell me what it's legal. Closer. Babe, so that's what you know. You're the trust woman. Have you run? You did mad. You don't catch me.
Babe! Your mother just paid!
This girl a bastard, I said.
Well, bad girlfriend.
You never said it. You are a foolish idiot. You are not foolish. Okay.
After everything, I was expecting that maybe he was going to say, so how much am I going to pay? Oh, no bribe. The policeman just said,
Should I wear this or this?
I think I like this one.
This one?
Yes, I like the color combination.
Thank you.
I better run the high.
where are these people going?
Babe,
Yes, babe.
this is what I picked for you.
Yeah, I like this one now.
Why did you not ask me?
I can't be asking you questions again.
Women.
In fact, let's be going.
How many of you can like, this is actually what is happening. They will ask you, is this cloth good? You say yes, they won't wear it, they will come out with a different one. Let's continue and see what's going to happen in this comedy. I know you are going
Who are you in front of the camera?
See her Lord.
I'm not in the mood.
Okay, it's fine.
I know it hurts.
I'm not in the mood now.
Maybe you pushed me.
I didn't push you.
So you have many girlfriends?
Any girlfriend?
Jesus.
I'm not just in the mood.
You're not, what do you mean by you're not in the mood? What do you mean by you're not in the mood? If you touch me by mistake.
What's all this now?
Oh, her name is Now.
Babe, which now?
Women.
I want you to let me.
Jesus.
You go do marry this girl, keep for house.
Jesus Christ. Who on earth is that? So babe, I asked my best friend to test you. And you fell for it. So men are cheap. Very cheap. You know what?
Oh, killer.
How cheap? Alright. You say it's over to something that never started. I just came to add to your body count. And as for you.
Babe, what's the meaning of this video I'm watching?
What video?
Check your message.
Oh boy! This bastard!
Who does it though?
Was kissing to my fiancé.
You never see anything.
You know what? It's over. The marriage is cancelled.
He just called off our dream marriage, and I'm getting married in 3.
Alright, thanks for your time. Thanks for giving me the totes. And as for you, I'm so sorry for your failed marriage. So long, lady.
Please, tell him that I was only testing.
Testicles. Get out.
Dream marriage just
I'm not gonna take it easy on my head.
The general is actually like, it is good to be smart
all you have to do
beforehand.
register with my promo code general.
Like,
and be sure to get up to
you need to be smart beforehand. Like, you understand? This guy was so smart to the extent that he already knew, he was suspecting that maybe my girlfriend might be testing me with this advert. Let me just take photo of acting so that
Policeman will just send me a house be this.
I swear. You no go better for your children. Anything they look for, they no go see.
Jesus.
Only me. Aeroplane go jam on your children.
Give the money.
Daddy, I want to say I don't want to be your piggy again.
What happened?
They insult when people they insult policemen children. It's too much.
So what you gonna make I do now?
You go share your property, give me my own, make I dey go. I no do again. I'm go start my own life.
Mozkoh, you remember since I saw your mother say leave me?
Now I know why mommy leave you in the first place. I dey come out.
Come out from here.
My father, my boy.
Mozkoh, you know that you be my only pikin, my only child.
Meaning say your only land when they for Mokoro village. Now me get am.
What you kind of episode to do when I can't go?
Me I say they remember you.
Show the father along so that you'll be remembering a yeah. Is it true that men should always receive insults from their friends? Like, I used to hear it too, but
Officer.
Can I see your particulars? That correct, sir. Sir, I want to search.
Officer, if you don't check my particulars, me I see come down.
Sir, I'm doing my work.
is this not the father?
Lakaka. What is this?
Officer Naigbo.
Exactly. Hello, officer. Let me guess. Exhibit. Thank you, sir. Carry on.
Daddy, I beg.
No, sir. Come with that. I'm not that picking.
Jesus.
I'm not that picking. You don't even buy beds. You don't buy motor. You get mine. Send my only land. Take buy motor. Got a groove life. I be at the lie.
Daddy.
What am I watching?
Oh yeah. I'm done, sir. Enter the motor to go station.
I don't get fuel.
You say what? We'll go back for road.
Lakaka.
You guys are looking very sharp. Now remember, if you don't like the lady, pop that balloon, okay? Lady, please come out.
Oh shit! Ah! Mommy!
What? Why did you pop your balloon?
You know why? That's my mom now.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know him?
Look at my face.
I have never seen this man in my life. Mommy, you have never seen me before.
Oh, me and you.
Man,
Please give us a minute. Mommy, come here. Come here. With due respect, what the fuck are you doing here? 10 years since your father died. No man has touched me. And I want to be touched. They must touch you? You know they pray? Oh, let's continue.
Oh my God, what happened to me?
So why did you leave your balloon?
I like older women. I like you too. You like him too. You don't get shame. Hope you can take good care of me.
Come on, I'm a billionaire.
Wait. You know the boss balloon? Where is the money? He dey lie. He just want to knock you.
Bro, I get your heart from King Solomon
I place my bet and I win big. So if I join King Solomon Telegram group now, I'll get show for free and I'll win bet. Okay, I'll join. But even though, post, I choose it.
Look at this one.
You have found your soulmate.
For where? I never lost my balloon. My love, won't you rest in peace? If I you go rest in peace. Oh, come here. My papa never bust in balloon. I miss you.
Why haven't you bust your balloon?
I can never allow anybody to father my son.
Yeah, he cannot allow this fool to father me. I have chosen him, and that is final. What thing be this?
Then I will live with my son.
Move your son. If I give you, you go die again. If I Jesus! Where is man?
I can't wait for you to see Jesus.
Lonely ghost. Click the link in my bio to join Solomon Telegram.
He just called him Lonely Ghost. Like, the ghost is so lonely. I am so lonely in the spirit world.
Calm down, my dad's getting ready. We'll soon leave, okay?
Please keep checking.
AGK on this one, guys. Let's see.
Which one they give you 2K again? Now, bro, go and play Musa Bet. Now, they just released 600 casino games for their ongoing tournament that is taking place from on the 1st of July to the 15th of July. Bro, now, play any of the casino games and you can cash out from 100,000 to 1.2 million. All you have to do now, just click the link on my bio, take you to the website so you can register for any of the casino games and start cashing out. Bro, leave 2K alone.
Okay, he has left now. Is the cab outside?
Yes, the cab is outside.
Let's go. Daddy?
Yeah, how are you? I thought I forgot something, but I guess I did not forget anything. I say, man, don't go see anybody with you. If not, I'll go shoot him. Behave yourself, oh. Not only you I get. Take. I want buy me fufu. Warm the soup if you come back.
You have mine. Yeah. You have mine, though.
Jesus.
My dad.
Your daddy, they stand for road.
What do you mean by that?
I thought he was a DPO now.
That's not the point now.
Is that why you're dating?
So what am I going to do now?
I have an idea.
What idea?
You have to act like you're gay.
I don't understand. No, now that idea don't cast now.
Do you want to die? I brought some female clothes.
Hello, Papi.
Jesus! Boss, no joke. I'm gay. No, be gay. No joke. Let me take me for you. I'm very good.
Now you say you go jokingly bend down for us.
It's going to be a very terrible thing for you.
No.
Wala in the prison.
The other side.
Oh my God.
Okay, that means from down there.
Bam.
Very big.
Now we're done. Now we're done.
We are fine. How are they?
We just fine. I just see you on the finger just do pia.
Yes, want to
your finger is that one.
The last day, want to start work immediately. You understand?
Not to remember you. No. That their house that is extremely.
Lettuce.
Yes.
You come back.
Yes.
One more see foreign suit.
Yes. Very sweet suit.
Turkish wear. Turkish wear.
You bought here?
You bought here?
Yes, we want to start a little work.
Really on process.
More work.
On process.
Okay. Let's go now.
How are they?
We are fine.
Okay.
We are fine.
Cletu's son that just came back. If we just leave this boy, he will just prosper. You want to build a house on that farm.
That's why I'm looking at this boy since, because this boy is becoming more fresher. Look at the suit he's wearing.
Get me.
Person that just came back from ordinary Ghana. Look at. So what are you going to do? You know, this
tell me this one.
You know, we must do something. Let's
Village men, fear them.
Iwundu, this boy that just came back, Clayton's son. We want you to let.
Look at someone that want to waste their charm.
I bet before I send that thing come, eh? Not ordinary bush I can't clear. Not ordinary bush I can't clear. Okay, make the thing they go down. They bring them down.
Oh man, before I use my charm, kill me.
So let's go.
Iwundu, don't worry, don't kill anybody. It's life. It's not even.
So just if this was this crazy itself, now you could have.
Where's my charm?
Your
My
precious
charm. Iwundu, don't kill him. It's dead.
People can disguise their charm.
Iwundu should be where?
Even men, I didn't mean that they didn't even see him clearing. This is how they would have just wasted all their charm on somebody that is already poor. Thank God they knew. Let's finish from
Good afternoon, sir.
line.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you? Fine. Sir.
Talk loud, man. I cannot hear you. Talk loud.
Somebody give me gonorrhea.
Is it because of gonorrhea that I cannot talk loud? Huh? You have gonorrhea now. You talk loud.
Exactly.
Hold on. The doctor is coming.
What's this one again?
See the doctor there.
I've been watching you from afar. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
If to say Jesus no run die for you, what did they come bomb me for? I would have died for you. So my name is Layi. What's your name? Monica. You say I get money now, if I don't give you money and car. Hey, so can I get your number? So
and the girl is blushing.
Hang out. Chill.
081.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Take it to morning to afternoon to night. If you use it on every day.
Packing all the medicine.
This one also.
They can come they suffer because of what in stranger go talk. Go
after you
may stranger die.
Like the mission is already failed.
Stranger
it's a failed mission already. There is no way the girl will agree to his proposal. He just toasted the girl earlier, and now you come to my pharmacy and say you are with gonorrhea. Gonorrhea.
Salam alaikum.
Zakios, you like fuck, Abby?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'm coming.
Ready, let's go, baby. I told you, baby. Where the money at, baby?
What the fuck?
What the F? What did I just watch? Someone just asked you. Maybe you went to cook Indomie and asked you like to use fork or spoon, normal spoon like or fork. And the guy just was thinking anyhow, rotting myself. You already off your clothes and you warming up.
3 bags. See this school. You go fast because of the weather.
You got F some men.
My girl don't finish school. The train girl go school now is you. And I Uber they do. You gotta trust man.
Mumu, the train girl for school.
Baby, I'm sorry I kept you waiting. I'm sorry. My Uber was superseding my load. That's why I'm sorry. Baby, are you mad at me? Calm down now. I just explained to you. Baby, calm down. My Uber was helping me out. That's why.
Man!
See me jumping.
God have mercy upon us.
Where have you been? I've been calling you.
Continue.
Take by me.
I've just been in there. Nothing.
Yeah, I'll call you all right. Dialing your number. This is how you behave sometimes.
What's going on here?
No.
How you are doing like this?
Okay. No.
Man! Which one is it? Did you smoke? Before. How many men have you been here that you need to go?
God have mercy upon us.
It's sad now. Why some girl be behaving like this?
They are vampires. They are blood-sucking animals.
Baby, calm down now. Make me understand.
Tell me, say you go collect back. I did that. They wait for you. You dey take person for this side, the Uber man. You dey address me as a Uber man.
No. It's sad now.
Follow me. Baby, now.
You don't see food. When you ask for to other things. When I have to open my spare parts business, now take you go school. That finish now. I'm not gonna say you are best like this.
I feel his pain. Like I'm still feeling his pain. I feel his pain. What a sad one. Yeah, women. Yeah, we whine you, but no panic. Yeah, women, we whine you. And one advice, please, no matter what, do not train any girl to school. Do not train them to school. Jesus.
Why don't tell me say you came out for us, man? Bro, I been no reason me like this. I don't be like.
Relax.
Babe, is it the one?
What's going on here?
Come. I've not been able to give my wife a child, so I want you to help me impregnate her. I'll pay you $5,000 weekly.
Not be to give my belly. No, I'm down.
Self-made millionaire.
I have Bitcoin. I could trade for you.
No, I get people they trade with. Favors app, they trade gift card and Bitcoin, and their rate high pass what you won't give me. I beg, I don't want to scam this period.
Daddy, I promise you I'll give you a grandchild this year.
I'm not married, I have no child. I want to set an example for.
Don't tell me that. It's 1 year now. Why is she not pregnant? Look at you. When I met you, you were not this fresh. I have changed your life. You have refused to change my life.
Why you sound like a bad person? You know the kind of waste pain I don't collect from nagging your wife. This 1 year one in Naka. She the other day carry me go hospital. Doctor check me finish. Then you say I feel reproduced. So it's not my fault. I don't know where the problem they come from.
I know the problem.
Are you mad?
So you know the problem. Talk now.
I can't be a kid. I am a transgender.
What?
Yeah.
So you be mad? Bros, reform.
Reform, then this relationship will be over after reforming.
That app, you get high rates. It's available on Play Store and App Store.
So, and she, no, nah. I really don't have anything to say, but it's an eye opener for everyone out there.
Solve your problem. Make they see vision for you. Vision for you. Something where they worry you for village. Something where go worry you in future. And something where they don't worry you for past. They go see her for here. This guy, they see vision for you. Put your money. Small money.
Bros, and a good afternoon.
Chairman, well done.
Good afternoon, bros. I beg, I dey pass here. I hear wetin this guy they talk. Say this guy they see vision. Not true.
This guy, they see past. They see present. It dey like saying I dey for back. Forget about my smiling.
I lie. This guy they say the vision.
Oh God, hope you not lie something no. I put small money here. You can see vision for me. Shock me with here.
You mean now?
I swear to God, I swear.
Man, wait oh. I don't know if I waiting the worry me sense. Whether I'm going to see her for me.
The more money you put, the more vision.
They put. I don't put everything. Why? For God beg, see vision for me. See vision, help me.
You want to see vision?
I want to see vision. Man, I know waiting they worry me.
Namaste. Takum tachin. Vision. Vision.
Yes, master. What thing be this when they show me?
In they show you vision.
Okay. Your name is Vision.
Yes, my name is Vision.
Wait. What be this one now? I was passing here.
That one concern you.
I saw this guy mentioning that this guy they see vision. I come here and they tell me say make I see vision. Which one be this one now? When I didn't play me, I didn't understand. They tell me say this guy they see vision. Now they tell me say make I see vision. What's the meaning of this one? Vision I never see. I don't understand. What's the meaning of this one?
Calm down now. Don't be like something. But guy, you see this guy?
I didn't see the guy. He's putting on white.
That means you see vision now. I'm going to go now.
Okay, come. Hey, officer, I beg, excuse me. Because I don't understand what people do for this community. What's the meaning of this one?
Manipulate me.
You don't play me, why you?
Vision. I don't see you today again.
Yes, sir.
My guy.
What's the problem, young man?
Hey! Speak up now. What's the issue?
Officer.
This one confused, oh. If you get your sense at this station.
It's okay, Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt City. Kakobokene no.
Who you want to say they don't scam you? What are you going to explain to a policeman that had already said vision? I don't think what I see and now they see you. It's among them, obviously.
I get you Saza now. Let me see. Now wait. If I get you Saza, sure now. Sir, like I confirm. Oh yeah now. Boss, send me your US Saza. Okay, hold on. Okay. Active. I don't pay Sam. Thank you, Jesus. Sure, man. She don't say that. I say sleep. Hey, don't say sleep. I confirm. I don't say you sleep. Hey. Boss, I don't say you sleep.
Sharp.
Nice one. Go for now. Direct down.
5 bar.
Narrate.
500 bar. Who gets a company for money? Like, this is what is happening day by day, every day, especially in Benin City. The person who even owns the account, owns the
bro, we go see later now.
Okay, now my bro.
Bro. What about the money I told you about?
That's not a problem now. Just text me once you get home safe.
Okay, sure, I'll wait.
Bro, go feed vampire. Wait.
Way too rich to drive a road. Made $1 million out of stove. She let to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put it on all the bros. I done put it in the bros.
Ever. How many minutes remain till our destination?
We'll just say 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay.
All this one.
Which one I'm cheating? Why are you going through my phone? I want to contact with my phone. I see your phone. And I'm telling you this. Okay, pass this motor, I beg.
Okay, what's going on here now? Just give my money, come up for here now. What kind of... Yeah! You don't keep yourself.
What do you walk?
I'll give my money to you. Which kind of sense with that? When I don't say start. You know, so we did 2024. Don't be too special. Like, sit to me for her hand. Hey! Now, this one, I won't come to see me for you. Tell me to stand up, give my money, I beg.
Stand up, they don't catch us.
Jesus.
You be money.
Who they pay my money?
Mommy,
I say, who they pay my money? I won't come up for you now.
That's how I die, you.
The man now I can see the death. Like the guy actually saw it. You were running from death and something just jammed you. If I were the driver, I would take
you know, say 130. I dey come out.
She said, I play.
Madiba,
this one when this customer go like this, oh, you don't lose them, oh.
My brother, no worry. He will come back.
He's actually coming back. They've predicted him. They have predicted him and fair for it, I swear. Prediction make perfect on him. What a smart move. Let's see this one from this guy, CY Brown.
Babe, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Babe, since 2 days you left, I was the only one at home and I was bored.
Oh, I do. I'm back for you now.
Jesus.
Inside.
Babe, what is it?
What's all this calling man in this one doing now?
Babe, calm down now. It's my friend James that used the room yesterday.
James?
Okay. Babe, I'm gonna handle you.
me tonight like a boyfriend has never did it before. Trust me.
James, baby. It's just my friend that used the room.
Okay, babe. Just let me bring my back and let me clean up the room.
Babe, don't worry. I can call James too.
No. Don't worry, babe. I trust you.
Woman,
our
enemy.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Hey.
I'm looking for the best and trusted place for you to trade your Bitcoin and your gift card. Worry no
And
more.
the
Sure
girl
says
James
you guys
Knack
cover. They are the #1 when it comes to buying of
was
cryptocurrency.
his
Go trade with
girlfriend,
Surest
though.
Exchange. They are
His
fast,
girlfriend didn't even argue. She
reliable,
just
and
said,
legit.
"Don't worry, I trust you."
Hey!
They play.
What are you still like that? Still like that? This man, man's your character's daughter. And so what? And so what, where? So this is what you are doing. I'll say bring it on any man and know how it is. Let me plug it. They're giving me this chewing boy. Hey! This boy now plugging me now. Will you hear from him? No problem. Let me go tell your father. If you don't want to tell your father now, let me do small.
Hey, go and tell now.
Okay.
Chief, calm down now. Don't tell now, please.
It's because of you. The way I'm looking at you, your dread looks responsible, and your earring, you look like someone that is from a responsible home. Anyways, my shut up money is 1 round. Let me do one. If I don't do, I'll tell everybody.
Please, allow me to do one.
Are you stupid? So because I allow you have your way with me, you must be very stupid.
Okay, she doesn't want to talk, no problem. Let me go. I will not only tell your father. I will tell the entire village and the next village what people are doing.
Go and tell now. Go and tell now.
If you don't give him, you go and tell your daddy.
Okay, come.
Beautiful! I love this shot. Hope you got the shot.
Confirm.
This is a perfect shot. This is beautiful.
Lovely.
Jesus. Okay, all these valuable people. See, I went to shit, you understand? I will not see you. No problem. Carry on.
If you remove, continue. Let me get my perfect shot before I give you a perfect shot. Come on.
Oh, hey, I don't want to see you again, sir. You must.
You don't snap him. Confirm. Full stop.
Oh my God.
This is forever green, I swear. Mazi, what do you want to do? Very stupid man. Oh my God. Let's see this one from MSC and Bala. Boss when they crush on customer. Let's see how it's going to go. Like, just calm down and watch this comedy. It's actually hilarious. It's hilarious. So you must laugh now. Alright guys, never mind the way I silent the sound because of copyright issue. I'm trying to avoid copyright issue. That's the reason why I silent this sound.
What happened? You're not eating. Don't you like the food?
I do, but I'm not a fan of hot food, so I'm waiting for it to get cold.
Anyways, my name is Nemesis. How about you?
My name is Isbae.
Nice to meet you. Anyways, I'm the manager of this place. What? I like your dark skin.
Yeah. You're making me shy.
Can I give you my number?
Hey!
Okay. I'll call you.
That's what I do for you.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Subhanallah.
Camera, the manager will actually see you now and she will know you are a poor guy. There is nothing you can do. All the love she has for you. Die. Let's see this one.
God have mercy upon us.
I never expected it.
Wake up. Gio is back. Gio is back.
Why are you running? Oh God, Mom, Gio. Why you say the little while I won't sleep? I need that Gio to come back now.
How fast do we hear of this? Gentuu!
Well, my house with this now.
So it's true.
Hey!
What did I just watch? What is wrong with funny cluster? So, you forgot that is your house. That is your home. Huh? You are a great cheater.
Well done, how much? That format don't cast.
Don't cast.
The format don't cast.
Jesus.
Open your hand.
Lord of Jesus.
Leave.
What you the talk? Why you go say singlet 250k?
I can send money, no they waste my time.
I can't buy, no be singlet I buy. I give you 20k.
You should 20k. Now if you come.
I know my 25k.
You know see our soundboard. Here na VIP. No put am for body if you no fee buy am.
If na you, if you buy am.
I beg send me money, make they come on my
Carry me come here like this. I can number. I don't send them. I don't mark this place.
Okay, I carry this thing they come out for my shop.
If you see me again for here.
Everybody talking like they help me pass myself.
Hey man, where you at, man? I they come. Guy, come on, they go to the party now. We don't need late now. Calm down. I don't buy that trendy singlet. I like. Yes, now. Mad. Wait, I'll call you back.
Ego better. Why?
What's up?
I'm not in for all those cheap talks. 100k.
You never reach like that.
Young man, if you're not serious, just get the fuck out of here.
50k.
50k, a princess like you. Are you being serious? 100k last.
98k.
Twice your crayfish or onions.
So I understand.
100k, if you don't want, just go.
Deal, 100k.
Now you're talking.
It's okay.
Calm down.
Mama,
you're not even romantic.
Photo.
What?
Just don't say they owe me 150k like this.
How?
Which one be how? I 250k I buy the singlet now.
Meaning what?
Calm down. I don't do it. Calm down. They move now. Move. They go to the boutique. They tell me say what? I'm 250k and I play to you.
God have mercy upon us.
Singlet that they insulted me tire for.
Hello, Cynthia.
I beg you, na man I be you, I no be woman no.
I know now. You don't forget say man we no get money na woman.
Jesus. Na true. Okay, so what be your name?
Anita.
Anita.
Ma go make my head outside.
Okay.
What be this?
So guys, don't let this comedy confuse you. Don't let this comedy keep you learning.
Baba, I want make you help me for
You
my
don't
visa.
have money, you are a man.
You are a newest.
Just
I
work
don't
hard and
understand.
have money.
She here resemble embassy for your eye. She here resemble embassy for your eye. I be like agent where they give visa.
But Baba, nothing is too big for the girl.
Now why I still there here? Answer me now. Now why I never get my own visa? I mean, then tell you say to travel, no they hungry me.
Baba, the girl choose you to serve them, so you know the game.
Now you the girls choose. Now you. Because them choose me, man, not travel again. Or you think say to enter flight, no they sweet me.
Baba, your own flight not to turn to winch and travel.
Can you turn to mosquito and travel now? Come on, Zuzu, forever. I'm not fear. You still there? Can you imagine? Me will never get passport. You want me I give you visa?
What kind of aggressive no? Baby native doctor, mark me now. That is what the guy should have told that small boy. It's a baby native doctor.
Wait. You have to give me head first before we do anything.
Head qua.
Flying high like a bird, but my fluttering wings.
See that boy, Aka. See, stop putting mouth in a woman private part.
Mr. Six.
What's going on here?
Why they shout?
I don't bring bacon for you.
The first time that I set my eyes on you, baby, I was stuck on you. I'm on me, I cut for you. Make my body come for
You like her, B?
Jesus Christ.
No, my spec. I know say that big things you dey like. But this girl, she sabi. Seriously?
Oga, if I knock you now, you go run. No.
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
I go more than 6 rounds. Enter inside.
Wahala for knack issue. The
work is done. Killers. I don't kill her for bed.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish. What's happened?
We never knock reach 2 seconds. Mr. Sis don't pass out.
Jesus!
You have pie. You This is insane. Oh, but you said you just killers. You were praising yourself that it's a big back, but now you are fainted on top back. Voila, may God give you rest. It goes on for you.
So,
like that.
Mazi. Mazi, you're looking good, though. Were you telling me to look bad before? Mazi, now your car be this? Yes, now. I am reaping the fruit of your labor. How? What do you mean by that? You don't know that girl where you date now. Why I tell you something you know that time? When you take her from nothing to something, we can't reduce it to nothing. My ex? Yes. Yes, now me the date am now. Mazi, you went behind me to date my ex. Another man's food is another man's poison, oh baby. It's not play. And I know the kind of person we. You know the time I give you right. May you enjoy this small motor we come from your labor. That girl don't do you well, oh. She took you from something to nothing. And you took her from nothing to something. Vice versa. Because we are the enter this car. No problem. Wait a minute. I want to enter inside. Small help, I won't help you. You want to enter on seat. Close the door. Close it.
Don't worry, leave that.
Nice.
When I remove my clothes, they show me with
Alright, come and drive me. Drive me home, alright?
You need money.
Oh, take her.
Mazi. I like Mazi because of being loud.
You're now listening to Talkless.
What's going on here? Babe, who is this?
He's Frank now, my bestie that I've been telling you about.
Are you serious? I don't understand. You? Are you doing bestie with a guy?
Why are you overreacting? He's just my bestie.
Jesus.
Want to use me to cast Bestie, feel free.
Thank you. Bless you for my present. Are you people joking? Is this for you? Like, how can a man and a woman be there? It's not possible. There must be something attached to it.
Now I'm like control the ragamuffin. Hey, chinedu.
Hello. Who is this?
My bestie, Chantel.
You know they do bestie with girls. Please, don't
worry, leave that.
You are doing bestie with my boyfriend.
When I do my shit, I'm gonna dig it myself. Let's have it. I've sent the money, okay? So when I go inside, I will call you. Then you come inside and act as my bestie, eh?
Let's worship it now. I say President General among the nation. President General among the nation.
Voila for President General. This one is from Funny Pro. Yup, guys, watch it and watch that phone.
Hello. Are you mad? Do I look like those stupid girls you can just talk to? If you try and stop me again,
Ornamental.
I'm just trying to tell you that you're stained at the back. I'm stained. I'm sorry.
Don't fire you and that forgive and forget.
Can you help me with your jacket? I'm going for an interview, please.
That interview
After
go
slapping me. I'm sorry.
Just because of God, I will do.
Thank you.
Oga, when do you want to sleep with me?
In Costa Rica, we call this diaspora escalator.
Get me by the diamond chain.
My lady, your body is unnecessary.
Oh, setigo. Oh, bestigo. Oh, Doctor is in fact confused about what he is saying. Oh, worry is my guy. You are sick and your girlfriend is so hot. She also not be your girlfriend. Do you this one with her? Oh no, Sha. Let's see how it's going to go.
Madam, please, can you get him some water? Okay, I'll be right back. Your body is unnecessary.
People I'm sick, I can't
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's see Vince. Vince is hungry. Oh. And they want to eat food.
7, 8.
Nah, food though. Food, original food.
7, 8.
I know they joke with my food. When I see my food, I will eat my food.
Who plays?
Yeah, me. Well,
some have food but cannot eat. Some can eat but have no food. That's me. I can eat, but I don't have food.
It's okay.
So let me bring my plate.
Wait till they want this one. Who be this one? Come up a road. Who go see them man?
Are you that hungry?
Hey! In this world you come and
Please mind me. Please don't mind me. I try to silence the sound because of the music and sound. All
Jesus.
Really, nigga?
You doing?
Ah!
How are you going to
buy minerals or something?
Surviving is winning, Franklin.
Ah, some people. Oil and rice and stew.
Money.
Okay, that Benita girl, I don't even tell her. I don't even know what I want to tell her.
Okay.
Like, I won't even tell that girl, say I just want to sleep with her. I don't want to get into to do with her. I don't want to date that girl, guys.
Girls these days, they like straightforward guys. They don't like guys that are going through corners.
I should just go there and tell her I want to sleep with her.
Just go straight.
Then I go give you back tonight.
You see this girl now? Just go straight.
Okay.
Yeah, see, my name is David. I want to.
So make I just tell this girl, say
straight. Just they go.
Guys, this guy say, you just tell the girl, say, make I tell her, say she like it.
I hope you're not going there to fool yourself.
Hello. Hi.
Like.
My name is David, and my friend over there said he likes you, and he would like to sleep with you.
I feeling lonely.
Excuse me. Who go see them mad?
I don't know, he just said he likes you and wants to sleep with you.
Is that your friend over there?
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, I love straightforward guys.
I miss my cocoa butter.
The guy is even surprised. Like, what happened? What happened?
This is the gay hands. You, I want to with the wise. If your girlfriend know the cheat, make I die.
No wise. I don't know when it's wise.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Legacy Salon and Spa. We are the best. We give you the best haircut here in Owerri. I want barb. Okay, it's 2.5. For what? For barbing. Why? I use 1,000 naira to barb my hand. Besides, my hair is not even fully grown. I just want to look fresh. If I wait, I may grow before you come. Excuse me, sir. I mean it's 2.5. It's just 1,000 naira I have. I'll go. Okay, come. Okay, no. Make payments first before barbing.
You know, this guy is a barber for real. Like, he's a barber, and
sir,
he's using his barber shop to act.
Any other thing?
Wetin be this?
Are you done? Yes, sir.
How
can you be done? You doing this thing, you don't have, and you're telling me you're done. Sir, now 1,000 naira start with that. Are you mad? Sorry, sir.
Are you okay?
Sorry. If I not go outside, what do you expect people to say about this my head? And I want you to pay for. Come on, finish this thing, you're telling me sorry. Tasha, incoming payment. Sorry, sir. Sorry. So you go complete your payment before I continue.
Oh, God. Now why? Let's have it.
Price. See the price, barber. You don't want owner of shop to eat.
A few moments
Nonsense.
later.
Very wicked man. I see black. Wicked. Peller black.
Bros, I beg no verse you. I dey look for Osayendesi number 26.
Na 2K.
Oh, that be your brother.
Bros, na 2K. Not your side that street.
Yeah.
No, na 2K now. You understand?
Okay, hey, bro.
Hey, bro, as today, so you see that my brother will sit downstairs. He go carry you go there. You understand? I tell him, say, me say you show you Osayende street. You understand? Tell him, say I'm the bad guy.
He dey smoke Igbo.
Dos, yeah, I think so. That your brother, yeah, go carry me go Osayende street number 26.
Problem no dey. Na 2K.
I don't give your brother the 2K. No.
The 2K wey you give am na address to reach here.
Dey why?
2K wey you give am so the address wey me go give you now so.
You will sit there and buy me for I beg now. Oh yeah.
You think it's a joke?
My chest.
You see that babe waited there, so just meet her. Now she go show you the place. You know, far from here.
Some of you are just evil.
Okay, nobody tell you.
Some of you are worse than Hitler.
That bros for there say you go carry me reach there.
Are you the waka up and down? So I just street no even dey for this estate. Abona 2K.
Jesus. The address in call.
You understand?
Wait, the guy is very senseless. How can you be moving around and they are still asking you 2K? You know, use yourself to walk away and look for someone.
Excuse me.
Those people are really thugs. After all,
Who have the mind to upset a pretty damn self like you? Why are you crying?
It's my boyfriend.
What?
He broke up with me.
Why?
It's the same reason why all my exes have been breaking up.
What reason? Talk to me. I'm listening.
I don't give in a relationship and I'll keep taking.
You don't give at all in the relationship.
No.
Clean your tears. Go wipe your tears. You don't need to cry.
Don't give.
Leave that one. Don't worry. See, I'm a giver. I give for a living. I'll take care of you. I'll spoil you. Anything you want.
What's my number?
That's nice. Check. We can chat on WhatsApp.
Wait, I'll call you now.
I'll take care of you. I'll spoil you. Anything you want.
Monday morning talking about me while
Money.
What's it with that? Oh, yeah.
Open you. Your bag, I'm on your phone. Fast. Your jewelry.
You did it.
Fast. Your necklace.
What's going on here?
Very wicked man. I feel black.
What did you just say be your name?
Oh boy, let's move.
He said you don't give nonsense. Now they have taken.
Guys, say network bad inside my house. Hey, I dey hear you now. I say deliver. Make sure you deliver for that place because no time.
What my eyes can see, my eyes cannot hold. I swear to God.
Hi.
Sorry, I stay next door and I can't remember seeing you around here. Are you new here?
Yes, I'm new here. I just moved in yesterday.
Okay. So I don't know if I could get your number so we can get to talk and get to know each other like later.
Sure, you can get my number.
I never even use the all of my power. I never even use my habit to shake her. H.I.M. position to be taken.
Alright, no problem. I'll call you later.
I've not yet touched my beat. Love is playing everywhere, like chatting, enjoying chatting.
So what time I coming to my place? You'll see me in 30 minutes. Okay, I'm expecting you.
Wow, today is gonna be a good day for these guys, but at the end of the day, it's actually a fun.
So what can I offer you?
Oh, nothing. Don't worry. I'm fine. I just ate before coming out.
Okay, no problem. So
All I need now is some rest. Please, can we just go to the bedroom?
yeah, sure.
I shall.
Jules, baby.
Then they push you, they go, you know what you still do.
Do you really love me?
Yes, I really love you.
Okay.
Hey, you're so sweet, I say.
Don't happen.
Thank you.
Hey, welcome.
That
So I guess it's time for us to go, baby. Let's go.
Jesus. Why are you pregnant? You never see anything. You never see anything.
I don't understand. Why bring your luggage to my house? What happened to your remaining rent?
Oh, it's going to expire tomorrow.
I don't understand.
Because it's a sad apartment.
Jesus.
You have carried my problem. I have come for you to carry my problem. Thank you guys for watching this comedy, and I believe you enjoyed this one. It's indeed a very hilarious one for you guys. Comey, Shopofo, a lot of them, they are on this comedy, and I believe you enjoyed it. So please do us a favor by subscribing and turn on post notification bell icon, and also don't forget to like and share this video to all your social media platforms. Share it to your friends, your fans, your loved ones, even your enemy. Share it to them. Let them see and watch and laugh. It's very important, and laughter is good for your health. So, guys, let's quickly dive into today's comedy. Like, I really want to say something. There are so many things I want to say in this video right now. First of all, let me talk about that saying that says, as a man, if you don't have money, you are a woman. I really want to, address that. Yeah, I want to address that. This saying has actually got so many people depressed, has actually made so many men out there or boys out there see themselves less. Like, it actually make them have this low self-esteem. Yes, they begin to see themselves inferior, they begin to see themselves worthless because of that saying. If you don't have money, I'm talking about those ones that actually do not have money, like still struggling, still grinding, hoping for a better tomorrow. You know what I'm talking about? So if everybody starts, accepting this saying, start accepting it and start saying it, I think it's causing harm more than good in the lives of many young boys out there who are still grinding. It doesn't make sense. Okay, if you say a man that doesn't have money is a woman, a girl or a lady that doesn't have money or that do not have money, what are we going to call them? Are we going to call them what? Nobody's talking about that. The society is just focusing on men trying to money shame, or how am I going to put it? It's very bad. It is very bad. So if you are a guy out there still grinding, hoping for a better tomorrow, just believe that one day things will get better, and never you put your mind, never you see yourself less, never you see yourself inferior, never you see yourself like a woman because of what all these people are saying. Never. You're still that man that you are, and you're still going to make it. Understand? You're still going to make it. See yourself big, believe in yourself, and whatsoever you're doing, before you know it, you see yourself flying high. Understand? So that is what I want to address. I think it will help so many people out there, because you see this word they penetrate our heart, and they make so many people, they go depressed. Some kind of bad word. I don't really know what so many people are passing through out there. There are a lot of things so many people are passing through out there. So you can't carry this kind of saying come. It's very bad. So I just have to address it, for those of you who actually need it. All right, guys. Let's quickly say something about some funny scene in this comedy reaction. Like, Comey is what? Oh gosh. If they tell me say Comey is never carry award for the best comedian, he will pay me. I know all this award, all this AMVCA award for best comedian and all that. Most of them actually buys it. Most of them actually pay for it. Some never worth it. They'll just pay. They like to use pasha for all these things. Before you reach your hand, they must play politics for you to get it. Because if not, Comey is a very good guy in the comedy industry. A very good guy. Like, no. He's good and funny. He's very good and funny in the way he acts. Very good and funny. But what makes me laugh in this comedy compilation, what actually treat me, is when he said, "Lonely ghost, magba me now." How come? Are there lonely ghosts, or what about single ghost? Is there anything like lonely ghost and single ghost? I was asking myself, and at the same time, I was laughing hard. Honestly, that comedy is hilarious. Very, very hilarious. And I was shocked to see Shopofo himself preaching the gospel. And what I was expecting for him to say is, "You don't know me. I am Shopofo, gospel, and preaching." Shopofo will go far in the industry. I think a lot of people actually love his comedy. I love his pattern. As for me, I love his pattern. I love the way he acts. I love the way he demonstrates. I love the way he laughs. That is laughter, eh? That is laughter, eh? Most people are using it in their comedy as sound, as funny sounds. They are using it on some people comedy. If you pay close attention to the audio, you hear Shopofo laughing at the background in the background of the comedy video. So that is for that. And another thing I want to say, before I forget this one, if you are a man, never ever sponsor a girl that you have not gotten married to through school. Never you do it. Never you pay or never you take responsibility of any girl that you have not gotten married to. Never you take any of their responsibility through school. You can have a girlfriend, you can give your girlfriend Wivon, give your girlfriend money to buy Wivon. You can actually, make your girlfriend look good. You can make her look classy, make her look wherever way you want her to be, with the way by giving her money, by giving her things. That is aside. But when it comes to sponsoring her through school, my brother, don't do it. It is risky. You are not responsible for any girl's expenses. You are not responsible for any girl's expenses until you get married to her. Let me tell you, you are not responsible for it. If you are dating her, you can give her the necessary thing a boyfriend ought to give his girlfriend, and she also can give you what a girlfriend ought to give a boyfriend. So don't go the extra mile, taking care of her through school, paying her school fees, buying books. You do know why? Because at the end of the day, you might have a heart attack. That girl have father. That girl have a father. She have a parent that can do that for her. Get married to her first before you start doing all these things. Because at the end of the day, you will not be that guy for her anymore. And it will be a very, very strong heartbreak for you. Just as SK is passing through a lot. As I'm speaking, he's passing through a lot right now. As I speak, he's passing through a lot. You can see him trying to cry. I didn't think he burst out into tears. Oh, more. You and I will not even watch this comedy again. It is funny, and I love that. I love the way he acted it, and he didn't just act it for fun. He also acted it for everybody, young guys out there that love doing these things, to stop it. He acted it for them to see reason to stop it. Because never you trust anyone. Never you trust anyone. I've said mine. It's your turn to take action. Correct anything you are doing concerning what I just said. Anything you are doing concerning what I just said, correct it. All right, guys, I think we are following and we are enjoying this comedy reaction. So I want you guys to do me a favor. You have to comment your favorite moment in this comedy. Comment that moment that treats you most, and also like, share this video. Like it, comment, try to comment. So on our next comedy, you'll be expecting more banger from us, and we're actually going to deliver as usual. So without further ado, we'll be calling it a day, and we'll be wrapping up. There are other funny scenes in this comedy, and I want to tell you that if I try to make review on some funny scene in every of my video, the one I never make mention of doesn't mean that they are not funny, because I cannot make review of all the comedy videos, like all the comedy videos in this video, because if I start to do it, we will not live here. There are a lot of I compile the video, and there are so many comedies there, so I just have to pick some, the one I feel is hilarious. And you can also say it in the comment section, the one you feel it is hilarious. I hope you understand. All right, guys, without further ado, we're going to see you guys on our next comedy video. Have a wonderful time and stay blessed.